start by putting the ribbons in this order. So the white volleyball, the blue polka dot, the white shiny ribbon, the navy blue, the silver, and the red. And then you want to have one ponytail holder, and you want to have the needle with the thread and about, let's see, 12 inches of thread. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, if you need help threading the needle, you could use the needle threader. Just stick it in the eye of the needle, and then you stick the thread through. Wait, okay. Try to be steadier with your hand movement.
Sorry.
All right, you stick it through. Hold on, stop moving. Okay, so they can see it. There, and then you pull the needle threader through the needle.
It didn't work. It's not working. Oh, I did it.
Okay, and then you pull the thread. Okay, you can get rid of the needle threader now. And then you pull the thread so it's even. So it's like doubling up the thread. So she's pulling it so both sides. Oh my God, the camera work is awesome. Okay, so before you pull the thread through, you're gonna make a knot. McKenna's gonna show you how to make a knot. She's gonna wrap it around her finger twice. And then you kind of just push it off your finger or roll it off your finger. And then you pull down. Did you do it? And then you pull down like that, and then you have a knot. Okay, now you're gonna thread your ribbon in the order. So you're gonna put the center crease on the needle, and then you're gonna put the next one, the volleyball first, and then the navy blue polka dots, just like McKenna's doing here. And then the silver, white one. Okay. And then you're gonna put the navy blue one. And the silver sparkly one. And then the red one.
We're doing that one.
Oh, she's redoing that one. Okay, and you're doing it right in the middle where you creased it, so you know it's in the middle.
Good enough.
And then the red one with the stars. Okay, now that you knotted your ribbon, you're gonna pull the needle through all the way till it hits the knot and it's at the bottom, like this. Okay, now that you have the thread all the way through the ribbons, you're going to begin wrapping the ribbon around the middle. Go ahead, wrap it around the ribbon. And you're gonna start to pull it tighter. Not too tight. You don't want to break the thread. She's just gonna keep wrapping it around. She's not sewing, she's just wrapping it around. And it'll start to fold kind of like an accordion. See if you can get that white one. This is really good camera. Camera work I got going here. Okay. So she's kind of just making it tight. Make sure they're all kind of lined up on top of each other. See how that white one is like folding over a little bit? Can you pull it underneath the other one? That's fine, that's good, okay. All right, so she's gonna wrap it probably 4 or 5 times until they're all tightly bound together in the middle. Okay, you feel like they're all tight?
Yeah.
Okay, now we flipped it upside down, and she's just gonna make 2 stitches on the bottom. You can even go through the threads if you want to make sure.
Like under it?
Yeah, yeah. You don't have to go that deep. Just like through the top of the white. There you go.
Oh.
Yeah, no, that's good. That was good. And then pull it through. Okay, and then do it one more time.
Like around it or just?
Yeah, you can just gather some of the white ribbon through underneath the thread and then pull it through. Okay. All right, now you're gonna wrap the thread around the center of the ponytail holder and then the center of the ribbon a few times until it feels secure.
Stab yourself. Don't stab yourself.
Don't stab yourself.
Because it hurts.
Okay, so I'm trying to keep it centered.
Is that
Good.
centered?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, she's just wrapping. She's not sewing anything yet. She's just wrapping it a few times around the center and kind of pulling, but don't pull too hard. You don't want to break your thread. She's still just wrapping it around the center.
Is that enough?
Maybe one more time. Okay, so she wrapped it around the center.
Yeah.
For the final step, you're gonna make 2 stitches going through the rubber band. So she just got a little bit of the fabric of the rubber band, and she's gonna go 1. Oh, we should have made the thread a little bit longer. And 2. And pull. Is that it? It feels secure. And then she's gonna take the scissors.
Oh God.
And she's gonna cut the thread. Show them the end result. It is the ponytail holder. Oh, I wish our kitchen table was neater. Okay, so it's probably recommended that you put your own ponytail holder in first, and then you'll put this one just on top. This one's just for looks. So you'll probably have to wrap it around at least twice. So I put it so the thing's on top, and then I just wrap it around. You're already done. You might have to do it 3 times depending on your hair. And there is your volleyball ribbon on our beautiful model, Aylin.
Show them your hair.
You're making
Not
it
your
too long. Okay,
Yeah.
good job.
Stop.